how it's looking on this side of the world. It's so beautiful. Look at the clouds. Now you miss the sun. Hello good people, good morning, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful day. Welcome. If you are new, my name is Shiro James. I do weekly vlogs. Nowadays I'm trying to come back to the game. So I do weekly vlogs. Basically it's about my life. Maybe sometimes I do cooking. Basically everything that I do in my life I share with you guys. And so if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share the video. Let's grow this community. And thank you for the oldies. I love you guys. Thank you for keeping it here. Hata kama saa zingine na watupa sana, thank you because you're always here. So today what we are going to do, I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'll be going to run some errands in town, in Westlands area. So that's what I'll be doing. I don't know if I have anything else to do in town. But I have like 2 major things to do. So I'll take you guys along with me. You cat. Shh. Go. Stop making noise. That's our cat. So that's what I'll be doing with you guys. I'm just going to take you along. I don't know if I'll manage to vlog in town. I'm kind of shy vlogging in town, especially these days. I don't know where my confidence went. I used to do it, but these days, oh my god, I can't. I try to take my phone and then I'm always like thinking, I remember what this came from. I had another phone that was stolen. I think I have a video about that, and here I'll link it up here. I don't know if I remember. I'll link it up. So I think that's where I lost my confidence, because nowadays I can't even take out my phone and start vlogging in town, in the CBD, in the Central Business District. Oh my god, because I'm always like, will it be grabbed again? Somebody will steal it from me again. So I guess that's why I'm not able to vlog so much in the city. But I'll try and come back slowly. It's not easy gaining confidence like the way I am, like talking to my phone and doing the Central Business District. People will be looking like you weirdly, like, is she wrong? What's wrong with her mind? But these days it's a little bit better because people are on TikTok, they go live on the street, there's FaceTiming, there is video calling, so somebody will think that you're doing a video call. It's not like before when we used to just vlog and people be like wondering what are you doing. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to do, guys. So keep it here, keep it locked. Let's see what we get to do on this beautiful day. Thank you. My face, no makeup, just a little bit of I did just moisturizer, and a little bit of powder. My face, you see the way it's looking nice right now. Oh my god, let me go out and then the sun. I think I need to be putting sunscreen on, because right now it's looking nice, but when I'm out there, it's something else. It will be oily, and then I don't know where my pimples they come. In the morning I don't see them. Like, you can't, guys, can you tell I have pimples? You can't. I look so flawless. But wait, you'll see in the videos what happens. I don't know whether it's still the phone, the camera, that makes me look different. I don't know when I'm outside, because right now it's looking nice, but hey, after a few minutes, oh my god, I'll be looking something else. So I am on this new routine that I'm trying to see if it clears up. I love this. Whatever I'm looking like now, I love it, but I don't know what happens, whether it's the camera or it's my face. Because okay, actually this camera sometimes make my face looks way bad than it is, because in the real sense, when I look at the mirror, oh my mirror, when I look at the mirror, I'm different. from when I use the camera. The camera makes my face look worse, but it's not like that. It's better. It's better. We've come from afar and it's going better. My hair, I'm going to take it out today. Is it today? Tomorrow? Tomorrow is on a Saturday, so that's when I'm going to take it out. So thank you guys for keeping it here. Let's do this. Let's see where this takes us. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A day in my life. Just going about in town, shughuli mingi. So in town is a bit hectic to videograph because I'm afraid my phone can be stolen anytime. But so let's do this. We can try and do this. So naenda upper hill. Have some shughuli Nicolette. Don't know if I'll manage to make it. So let's get into the matatus. These are the matatus that takes you to community. You get them at GPO. So yeah, now the matatu, that is the public means of transport. Uoga tu kama kawaida, ku feel shy vlogging in the car. It didn't have a lot of people, but still felt a little bit of shy. So we started moving. It's full of people now. So yeah, I'm just showing you a bit of our town. This is Kenyatta Avenue. Yeah, so heading to community. So here we are at the GPO. Actually, I picked my matatu at it's not GPO, the other place. Yeah. So today was just that's why I got my matatu. I'm forgetting the name, pale Kencom. Yeah, so I'm done here. I'm going back. Let's hear what I was saying. Kwenye niko community kuna kuanga na offices mingi za gava. That's where there is the Milimani Law Courts. So I'm just going to walk town. Busio far, alafu kingia kwa mat kuna traffic. There's a lot of jam, so the easier and the best thing to do is walk to town. So I'm just going to walk to town. Kiko vlog inakuanga ngumu because everyone is looking at you and anashangaa bora unaongelesha kwa simu. So yeah, I'm just going to walk to town, pass through Uhuru Park. Ni karibu sana, just hata ku enjoy the breeze. So oops, oh my god, almost fell. So natembea tu. Let me show you the way ahead of me. Sawa. Tunatembelea, unaona watu wanakujanga na maduvi sababu ya traffic. This building ahead of me, it's the All Saints Cathedral. Then there are other buildings. This is community huko kote. Oh, those buildings, government buildings. Sasa tunatembea hapa tu. Kwa njia kuna mahali unaweza buy. They sell so many nice clothes, shoes, suits, but they are second hand. Look at the price. And get very, very nice shoes because their offices are government, and government people like wearing suits. That's why they sell suits along this route. Okay, tutembe. Kuna traffic. This is Uhuru Park. Imefensiwa with a blue fence. Can't go inside. Look at that traffic. Oh my god, it's heavy. I don't know why during the December season the traffic is always like this. I don't know where people are going. I don't know whether they are coming to Nairobi na wengine wanatoka Nairobi ama what's going on. Hey, I met some journalists here. So hivyo ndio inakuwanga huko Nairobi. Is a busy town. So here out in Uhuru Park. Today I don't have a lot to say or a lot to do, ni kuonyesha around, and I'm going to go off nikielekea town sababu ya kasimu kasisnachiwe. Sawa. Look at that traffic. Imagine if I was still in this traffic, and then the way the sun is hot, and then when you're in the matatus it's stuffy. Like, it's not the best thing to do, not the best time. So kutembea, si unaona already niko town, within a few minutes I'm in town, but kama ningechukua mat I'll still be in the matatu waiting for it ijae ndio yaanze kwenda town. Sawa. I can't wait wafungue Uhuru Park. This park has been closed for so long. I can't wait. Hey, another day of running errands. Ko Nairobi, iko town, Westlands. Kamera ni chafu. Hii town ni kubwa. Sijui hata ya hii place. And the sun is scorching hot. So this part of Parklands sijaipitia. Is this Parklands Westlands? So it's new to me. It's very new. Hii Nairobi waseni kubwa. Hii part sijaipitia. Nilikuwa ofisi ingine, even it was difficult to locate it, but finally I got it. So sawa, just running errands here and there.
So here I had gone to Garden City. I came from Parklands, went to town, took a matatu and went all the way to Garden City. So I decided to get some ice cream for myself. And these videos were taken during the Christmas season. I've not been able to update it. So that's why you are getting them at this moment. So don't come for me because I didn't update on time. Yeah, we were busy with work, busy with the Christmas season. So yeah, so guys, you never saw this part of me, you never heard about me. So it's right, even if I upload them now. So just enjoy the videos, just enjoy watching and liking, and yeah. So let's enjoy.
So these are Ubers waiting for people, but I'm not taking an Uber. It's so full. The mall is so full. There's a graduation. I think KU, they were graduating today. So it's so full. So I'm going to catch my matatu, head back to the office, do some very little things, then call it a day. During Christmas season, December, traffic kukua mbaya. Look at that. Meshikana. God, I'm so tired, man. My hair is so terrible, so don't tell me. I'm going to take it down tomorrow because today is on a Friday. Yeah, I'm back to the office just to do a little bit of work. Just a little bit of work, and then I go home since tomorrow it's a Saturday and I don't work on Saturdays. So that's why I had to come back to the office to finish up. So that's what I'm going to get down and do. it's just a minor job that I didn't want it to go over the weekend. Like I can do it on Monday, but I don't want to wait on Monday, so I wanna do it today. All right, let's sit down and do that. So I think I'll leave you guys here. Maybe, not sure. I don't know if I'll take you along with me when I'm going home. So yeah, let's leave it at here. If I don't go with you again today, we'll see you on the next one. So bye bye, nawapenda sana. See you in the next one.